You're watching How Leap. Let's fix missing Instagram features. Missing features are often due to slow server-side rollouts or app issues. First, update the Instagram app. Go to your device's app store, search for Instagram, and tap Update. Restart your phone after updating. Second, check your account type. Some features, like music in stories or professional dashboards, require a creator or business account. Switch in settings, account. Third, check for app compatibility. Ensure your phone's operating system is updated to the latest version. Fourth, clear the apps cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload the app via Settings, General, iPhone Storage, then reinstall it. Finally, features are often tested on small user groups. You may simply need to wait. Following official Instagram accounts can give you update announcements. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.